Why are there not more people talking about noisy Ford F150 air conditioners? It's way more common than you think. Let's figure out what's going on under the hood. First up, it could just be debris. Leaves, twigs, or even small rocks can get stuck in the AC vents or blower motor. When that happens, you'll hear rattling or clicking. That sounds worse than it really is. Another common culprit? A worn-out blower motor. If you notice a steady humming or grinding, the motor bearings might be wearing down. And that's a sign it's time for a replacement. Don't forget about the AC compressor. If you hear a loud clunk or squeal when the AC kicks on, it might be the compressor struggling to do its job. That's not something to ignore. Getting it checked early can save you a bigger headache later. Loose or damaged AC belts can also make a high-pitched squealing noise. Over time, belts wear out, so if you hear screeching, it's worth having them looked at. Bottom line. While a noisy AC can be annoying, it's usually fixable. If you're not sure what's causing the sound, a quick visit to your mechanic can keep your F-150 cool and quiet all summer long.